What happens when you get a ticket? You have two options: pay it, and then you're going to get the points on your license, and they're going to stay there for however many years that your state says so. Or you can have an attorney represent you in court. That's when we can help you. TVC Pro Driver is Trucker's Voice in Court. We're there for you to fight those tickets no matter where, what, when, or how. Serious violations are something that is pretty serious to you because two of them can take you off the road for 60 days. Three of them means 120 days suspension. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm out of work for 120 days, that sure hurt my bank account. Anything following too close, 15 over any posted speed limit, a mile over in a school or construction zone, basically whatever that officer decides to write can become a serious violation to you. We know that it doesn't matter whether it's in your personal vehicle, the big truck, that motorcycle, your fun toys that you drive. You've got one license. Anywhere United States or Canada, we help you fight those tickets in court. How about the CSA 2010? I've heard a lot of drivers say these are really causing them a lot of problems because even if you've never had a ticket, you could actually lose your license due to these safety reports. You don't have the time. Most of you have limited time that you can be on a computer, and you sure don't want to take that time fighting on an inspection report. We do those for you, so we make the free data queue challenges with your membership. Just make sure we have all the paperwork so we can get that handled, get your points back to a positive position. You have free representation on all moving as well as non-moving traffic violations. That's anything from following too close, speeding, logbook, overweight, equipment, about 900 other reasons I would imagine that you can think of. I know I can, that they write tickets. The National Safety Council says every 1.5 seconds somebody is hospitalized or killed. As part of your membership, you have $50,000 in accidental death and dismemberment benefit that's given to you automatically. There's $200 cash appearance bond, so if you're stopped on the side of the road, they want your cash now, you give them your membership card, that's up to $200 right then and there available to that officer. $5,000 in a police bail bond, and that would be in the event that there was an accident with the death involved. So at your preliminary hearing, you're going to have the bondsman and an attorney there to represent you because we pay all the defense for you on a criminal charge such as manslaughter, involuntary manslaughter, vehicular homicide, or negligent homicide due to that accident. One of our drivers had that happen. It was in North Carolina. Unfortunately, he had an accident with a bus, and he was looking at 18 years in prison, $4,500 in fines, and a 3-year loss of license. By the attorney being in court for him, he has no jail time, no supervised probation, and only got a $500 fine as settlement. 1 year revocation from North Carolina, but he could continue to drive and be home with his family, and at the end of the year, that was all dismissed. Now that's a positive outcome. And on top of that, it saved him probably what, $45,000, $50,000 in attorney fees. Tickets happen, and sometimes we get that one before we think we're going to, or we sure didn't plan on it. It wasn't on our calendar today. So if you have a ticket, not a problem. We can still help you. There's a one-time fee on that ticket of $295, and then with your membership, in the future, you're paying nothing for us to be in court for you. This guy, 72 and a 55, down around Atlanta, they're on the Watermelon 500. They were able to get that changed to 62 and no points on his license. He was a really happy customer. We know you carry credit cards while you're out on the road. Make sure you register those because if they're lost or stolen, we can notify the card companies, save you all that hassle, and pay the $50 deductible if there is one on each card. Life happens. So whether you need an attorney for any reason that's not traffic, whether it's wills, trust, IRS, bankruptcy, divorce, child custody, whatever it might be, 25% discount and a free consultation with that attorney before he starts to work with you. So you'll be able to assess what needs to be done. You'll be able to discuss your case with him and then determine if you wish to hire him and take that 25% discount off of his fee. We believe it's payback time for our drivers because they have been so loyal. Our company has started a loyalty rewards program where you can get as much as $1,000 every month. A qualified person that has a membership was put into that drawing. I hope it's you because that could be $1,000 to you. There's several discounts, including emergency roadside service for your spouse and also for you in your personal vehicle. And that even covers a ticket for her up to $200 of the attorney fee. There's discounts on dental, pharmacy, optical. There's even discounts at imaging, MRI, and different facilities because we want you to have something that saves you money every day. Best part to you, at the end of the year, in most states, this is tax deductible. So to get your membership started today, all you would need to do is just click on the button that says Get Started, join now, and if you'd like to discuss anything with us, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you any way that we can.